Alright, so first nating i-discuss ngayon is yung tinatawag na union of sets. So yung symbol niya is yung parang U na smiley, parang gano'n. Okay, so yung given natin is meron tayong tatlong sets. Set A, merong laman na A, B, C. Set B, na merong laman na D, E, F. At saka set C na merong F, G, H, I. Okay, punta tayo kagad sa number 1. The union of A and B. Para makuha yung sagot, kukombine lang natin yung laman ng set A at yung laman ng set B. First, lagyan mo ng bracket at sulat mo yung laman ng set A. A, B, C, at isama mo na rin yung laman ng ating set B, which is D, E, F. That's our number 1. Number 2, the union of B and C. All you have to do is i-combine mo or pagsama-samahin mo lamang yung elements ng set B at yung elements ng set C. So, yung sagot natin is D, R, F. Now, pag meron kayong dalawang letters sa dalawang sets, isang letter diyang isulat nyo sa sagot. Huwag nyong dodoblehin. Okay? So, punta na agad sa G, H, tsaka I. Last, number 3, the union of A and C. So, to combine the elements of A and C, meron tayong A, B, C, F, G, H, tsaka I. That's it, guys. This is called the union of sets. So, punta na tayo sa next topic. Okay, intersection of sets. So, yung symbol ng intersection is yung parang U pa rin, but this time is yung kabaliktaran niya. So, it's opening downward na. Okay, meron tayong tatlong given. Set A, merong laman na A, B, C. Set B, na merong laman na D, F, C. At set C, na merong laman na D, M, tsaka N. Okay, number 1 example. What is the intersection of A and B? So, para makuha natin yung sagot, or hanapin mo lamang kung ano yung element na common sa set A at set B. Ano yung element na makikita sa set A at makikita mo din sa set B. Yung common na element nila is yung C. Therefore, yung sagot natin sa number 1 is C. So, as usual, ilagay mo pa rin siya sa loob ng bracket. Number 2. Number 2, ano yung intersection ng B at C? So, yung B ay merong DFC, yung C naman ay merong DMN. So, ano yung sagot natin? Siyempre, yung common na element ng dalawang set is yung D. Therefore, that will be our answer. And don't forget, dapat nasa loob siya ng bracket. Last number. Number 3, what is the intersection of A and C? Meron tayong konting confusion dito. Meron ba tayong common na element sa kanilang dalawa? No, wala tayong common na element. Therefore, the answer is empty set. Yung empty set ay merong symbol na circle at saka yung slanting line. So, yung tawag dyan is empty. Empty, ibig sabihin walang laman kasi walang sagot. Empty set, or meron siyang ibang term, pwede na siyang tawaging null set. That's it. Finally, nasa last part na tayo ng ating discussion today. So, yung last part is yung tinatawag na cardinality of a set. Pag sinabi natin cardinality, ay tinatanong lamang niya kung ilan yung laman ng isang set. Cardinality is being represented by the letter N. So, number 1, And what is the cardinality of set A? So, ibig sabihin, ilan yung laman ng set A? So, counting lang tayo dito. So, we have 1, 2, 3. Therefore, number 1 is 3 dahil mayroong tatlong elements yung set A. Number 2, what is the cardinality of set B? So, count natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the answer is 4. Diba? It's very simple. Ito lang yung challenging yung 3 tsaka 4. Number 3. Number 3 is, tinatanong dito kung ilan yung laman ng elements ng union ng A tsaka B. So, pag i-combine yung set A tsaka set B, ilan yung kanyang laman? Yun lang talaga yun. So, N. So, kung talagang isulat natin yung laman ng A union B, meron tayong A, B, C, D, E, F, tsaka G. So, yung cardinality niya is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Last number. So, kakount lang natin kung ilan yung elements ng intersection ng B at saka C. So, lagay muna natin yung kung ano yung elements ng intersection nilang dalawa, B tsaka C, merong F. So, therefore, ilan? 1. Alright. That's it.